Okay, just have to today we're making a beehive to attract bees. And how we do that is let's get some elastic bands, put them over the super frames. Super frames. Okay, then we get down here we got some fresh beeswax hives that we took out of my a nest that some killer bees abandoned. And we're going to put them in the super here to attract more bees where we want them, right inside the super. So it's a matter of getting this high enough that we can slip these in. Put these right inside the frame. Always use your biggest pieces first. Maybe this one will fit nice on the edge. Maybe it'll fit better in the bottom. Okay. Then we fill in with whatever other material we have here. This one should go in here nice. Oh no, maybe it fits. No, this side. I think it'll fit in the middle better. Just compress those down a bit. Fit everything together. Maybe we can put this one over here. Shape it a little bit. Show you what I'm doing. Get this under the elastic here. Hard to hold the camera with your teeth, but anyhow, that's the gist of it, the idea. Just need one more piece over to here. And if we can saves the bees a lot of work when they find this, and they get interested in moving a queen into here or making their own queen, whichever comes first. I'll put one more elastic band right here where I have lots of joins. You know what the bees will do? They'll end up biting this elastic off and it'll just fall out of the way. So we've got two inserts here. We're going to slip these in the super. And I'm just going to take some of these out 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle, and I'll take these other 3 out. Normally the bees start in this material here, and they will. But I'll put one of these on each end so the bees find it easy, depending which way they come into the... And basically we're going to drip these with some honey and hope we get more bees than ants flying by. When the bees are looking for a home next time, they won't go in the house, they'll come into the super.